Damas y caballeros, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Joe J. Jr. and welcome to another super cool pomade review, where today I decided, like I said in my previous video, I'm taking a break currently from the Suavecito pomades, but today I went to the market and I was looking at some products because I'm like, man, people use this product, people use that one, I could review this one and that one, but there was just one product that really caught my attention. Now, if you guys haven't seen my previous video where I reviewed Suavecito's oil-based pomade, check that one out right here. But I saw another pomade that just looked very similar, and I just thought from the looks, the smell, I thought it'd be a little bit of that in between, the good, the bad. But of course, ultimately, I'm talking about Marie's Superior Hairdressing Pomade. Now, I've never used this product before, but I've seen it around a lot. It's very affordable, it's really cheap, it's only like $3 or so. Guys, sorry if I'm sweating, it's like 102 degrees in here at the moment. But, you guys can already make your comparisons if you've seen the video before. If you haven't, definitely check out my previous oil-based pomade review for Suavecito's pomade. But you can already tell it's definitely a more old-fashioned looking thing. And if you read the label, it says copyright 1926, and I already looked on the side of the can and it says that it has been using the same formula since 1926. So the second you open it, you're already hit with its signature smell. Like, it's a little bit in between. It's not too strong, it's not too light, it's just right, and the smell is a little old-fashioned, which is understandable because it's still the same thing since 1926. But real quick, before I get too ahead of myself, I just wanted to say that I'm not going to be rating these things or these pomades on a scale of 1 to 10 anymore, because I feel like I'm just going to lose my mind just keeping track of which is which, because I don't want to place this product ahead of this when I know that this is better than that product. So I'm just going to be rating it now on a scale of good, bad, or okay. So just remember and keep this in mind that this is completely my opinion. If you like a product, definitely let me know in the comments down below if you want me to review a certain one. But I hope that you guys don't get too upset if I don't justify your product as well. So that's out of the way. So right off the bat, as you can see, it looks very similar to the other oil-based pomade I did from Suavecito. So let's get this started. So obviously we're always going to get a fingerful. This is slightly tougher than Suavecito's. Still's got that signature scent. Apply it to your hand and emulsify it. So remember, with any oil-based pomade, you always gotta emulsify it properly and start with the back. I tend to do it more from the front just because my hair just has a tendency to stand up more from the front. So as I'm working it in, you guys are already seeing it's very little resistance. It's not weighing my hair as much as some of the previous Suavecito products. I think I might end up needing a little bit more. So if you guys have any other pomades you guys would like me to review, definitely comment down below. I would be more than happy to review them, as I am a person that really likes pomades and really got into hairstyling. So the pomade is mostly in there. There's a little bit of left over, but I'm pretty sure that stuff will clear out as I get through with the combing. So I'll put that to the side, and always gotta have my handy dandy towel to get this product off. I mean, I've seen people that do reviews and they leave the product on their hands, but I just don't, especially because I hear that certain pomades have certain chemicals or certain materials that if you get on your face will cause you to break out. And I mean, I already have some facial scarring on my face and I don't really want to add it to it. So now that we're done with the handy dandy towel, let's get to our signature comb. So a little bit of tugging, but it's mostly smooth. Let's see if we can get that residue out. So I know people like to do the pompadour with their hairstyle. I'm more of a slick back person, as I've said in some of my previous videos. Like, I think the pompadour is an amazing, unique style, and it's very authentic, just like the slick back. But it's just not for me. No offense, but everyone has their own tastes. Mine just isn't really the pompadour, but because I have longer hair, I feel like if a product can really keep down my curliness and keep my hair flat, then I'd say it's got a pretty good hold. So as you guys can see, it's got a bit of a shine to it, which is understandable. It is an oil-based pomade. So with that being said, damas y caballeros, ladies and gentlemen, I'll be back in, I'd say, 4 or 5 hours. So I will see you guys later. Okay, damas y caballeros, ladies and gentlemen, I am back. It has been about 5 hours now, and so far so good. This one, you know, the hold wasn't as good, so I had to go back and apply a little bit more to my hair, just because I was getting a lot of like hairs flying out, hairs standing up. So I got some more product, I applied it through my hair, and I had to comb it, I'd say about 1 or 2 more times along during that, which is fine. But so far mostly it's managed to like keep down most of the curls, which if you guys have seen some of my previous videos, I always end up having curls staying back. So I'd say, is this product good, bad, or in between? I'd say it's in between. Like, not trying to hate on it or anything, but the hold wasn't really as good as I thought it'd be, because I've used Suavecito's oil-based pomade, and that one had a pretty good hold and it kept my hairs in place. This one, I had to apply some more product, which isn't something I usually do, but the hold wasn't the best. The smell is pretty good, because after I applied it and warmed up the product throughout my hair, I noticed that that more light, old-fashioned scent kind of like changed in a way. Not in a bad way, but it smells good. It smells better. I especially noticed that when I warmed up the product in my hands. So I'd say it's an okay product to start with. If you're new to the whole hairstyling and everything, definitely give this a try, because remember, at the end of the day, these are completely my opinion, so I hope you guys don't get too upset with what I rate them on. But if you guys want to try this product and give it a shot yourself, you know, Murray Superior hairdressing pomade, definitely check it out, definitely try it out, and let me know what you think about the product in the comment section down below. Did I justify it? Did I not? Let me know. Anyways, I hope you guys have an amazing day, because you guys are all amazing people. I'm Joe J. Jr., and if you want to make my day even more amazing, definitely check out these videos, subscribe right here, and as always, I hope you guys have an amazing day, because you guys are all amazing people. I am out.